Hi, this is an original song called My Organic Lawn. I wrote it for all my viewers of my organic lawn care videos on YouTube, and I used a lot of hate comments from those detractors as well to make it fun. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it changes the way you think a lawn should look like. Thanks. Enjoy. In my organic lawn, they see no grass, just weeds, looks like bleep. They say, man, that's horrible, let's feed some sheep. They say they're so glad that I'm not your neighbor. They tell me to spend some time working hard on my yard. My organic lawn has some weeds. Sometimes I pull them out and I oversee. No herbicide, no pesticide, they're not the answer. My lawn is clean and green, and it won't cause cancer. My organic lawn, it's not supposed to look like yours. My organic lawn won't look like yours. They ask, when will I mow my long grass? They say bag and bale that stuff and feed horses with 5 courses. They say that I have gotta be that dude feeding all the deer in the neighborhood. I mow my organic lawn longer to make it stronger. I use a push reel mower. It's also clean with no gasoline, with quiet cutting blades that go round and round and leave the clippings back on the ground. My organic lawn, it's not supposed to look like yours. My organic lawn won't look like yours. They say I'm not mowing grass, it's all just clover. They ask that I really put clover all over my lawn. They say clover may be healthy, but my lawn looks bad. My clover infested lawn looks so sad. In my organic lawn, I planted that clover there. Clover is healthy and pulls nitrogen out of the air. When I overseed with grass, I include some clover seeds to fill in the lawn and crowd out the weeds. My organic lawn won't look like yours. No herbicide or pesticide, it's clean and green. I cut it longer so the grass can grow stronger, and I oversee with clover seeds. My organic lawn, it's not supposed to look like yours. My organic lawn won't look like yours. Thanks for watching. I want to give a shout out to my daughter Gabi. Check out her channel on YouTube. It's called GabiGirlPR. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot.